Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to check the amount of the burned calories on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the list of tiles. And one of the tiles should look like this. This is the Samsung Health tile, and you can tap on it to open the detailed information, and here we have the activity calories burned and also the total burned calories. If you go back and check the tile itself, you will see the calories burned right here also, and we have this graph, but it's empty because we have 0 calories burned. You can also check this by opening the Samsung Health application on your watch. So you can swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, tap on the Samsung Health, and here you can tap on daily activity to check the amounts of the calories burned, and you can also tap on steps right here to check the amounts of calories burned when you were walking. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.